I call the shots around here.
You fool, you brought a knife to a gunfight.
Learn English! Learn English!
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is teacher Hadid, and today I am going to teach you two idioms which I have noticed from a TV serial. So without any delay, let's get started. The idiom number one which I want to teach you today is bring a knife to a gunfight. Bring a knife to a gunfight. So when someone brings a knife to a gunfight, it means that they are not properly ready and prepared for the event. It is commonly used in a negative way. For example, let's say that you are having a debate with your friend and you are not prepared. You don't have enough ideas to talk with the person. You are not properly prepared. So it means that today you brought a knife to a gunfight. You were not ready for that debate. You did not do your research. Let's say that you are giving a presentation and you're not ready for the presentation. You have not prepared the presentation properly. You did not do any research about it. So you can say that you brought a knife to a gunfight. Next time when your friends do something with lack of preparation, you can say that, yeah, he brought a knife to a gunfight.
Say about bringing a knife to a gunfight.
You fool, you brought a knife to a gunfight.
Why bring a knife to a gun?
Knife to a gunfight.
It's a way of giving someone advice as well, that why did you come unprepared? You know, there was a lack of planning in your action. So next time, prepare well. So you can say, you brought a knife to a gunfight. Next time, be ready. The next idiom that I want to teach you today is calling the shots. So if someone calls the shot, it means that they are the one who makes decision. Let me teach you this idiom with a small story. So last week, I was having a barbecue party with my friends, and we had a small dispute about which movie we should watch. They were thinking that we should watch a comedy movie, but I was in a mood to watch a horror movie. So I said, you know, it's my house, it's my projector, it's my laptop, I call the shots here. So we are going to watch a horror movie.
You don't call the shots anymore.
I call the shots around here.
Here. I guess we know who calls the shots on your team.
I call the shots, I do what I want to do.
So next time when you want to say that I make decision here, you can say I call the shot here. Or if you want to say that he makes decision here, you can say he calls the shot here. Or you want to ask who makes decision here, you can say who calls the shot here. Get it? So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to hit the red button, so whenever we upload the next video, you will get the notification. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Bye.
They say about bringing a knife to a gunfight.
Knife to a gunfight.
Why bring a knife to a gun?
You fool, you brought a knife to a gunfight.
I call the shots, I do what I want to do.
You don't call the shots anymore.
I call the shots around here.
Here. I guess we know who calls the shots on your team.